Established in the wake of the millennium in year 2000, Egypt Bakery Stores has grown over 18 years to become the exclusive importer and distributor of over 10 world-renowned brands. Our portfolio extends to more than 400 SKUs. Our international brands include CSM, Ulmer Spatz, Schapfenmüller, Dawn Foods, Pregel, Lactofil, Decorap, Andros, Frufi, Patisse France, Valrhona, Master Martini. Grace, our homemade brand, is specialized in the field of producing fresh frozen bakery and pastry convenient products that provide the ultimate complete solution. Our factory and stores are connected via secured elevators designated for safely transferring all our materials and products. Production starts by weighing of components using accurate digital scales, functioning in parallel with water meters and chillers. Our state-of-the-art bread manufacturing lines produce unique products, such as these attractive stamped rolls with various shapes. Our lines provide automatic seeding and depanning of bread cuts for maximum efficiency. Then comes proofing and baking. Proofing is a sensitive process that has remarkable impact on the quality of the bread. Finally, Grace Bread Range comes to you opened and sliced for your convenience. A primary ingredient of Grace Delicious Viennoiserie line is our 100% natural butter. Laminated dough is then accurately cut and filled to produce Grace mouth-watering assortment of croissants, pâtés, strudels that all come in different sizes and flavors. Grace unique tart shells come in 9 trendy shapes, coated to prevent water migration, then packed in our smart packs, providing ultimate safety from breakage. Grace also has a huge variety of flavored frozen muffins, cakes, and donuts. This automatic fryer is essential for uniform, oil-free frying of donuts. Grace's succulent variety of French biscuits are produced using this automatic depositor. Grace Cake Production line is the first of its kind in Egypt, producing pre-frozen cakes, coated and sliced for instant serve and eat. Grace also brings you a delicious range of sandwiches and salads. Our modified atmosphere packaging technology, MAP, ensures immaculate quality and safety standards and extended shelf life. Another key to perfect frozen products is blast freezing. Egypt Bakery Stores' high-tech freezing tunnels ensure zero crystallization and humidity loss, which maintains the freshness and texture of products for weeks. Egypt Bakery Stores' team of dedicated engineers have designed this swift packaging process that guarantees ultimate stability of sensitive and fragile products. Our elevators then carry down finished products to stores safe and sound. Palletizers guarantee zero breakage of products during local and export distribution. Daily periodic quality checks of temperatures are conducted by our quality control to assure optimal storage ambience to our products. Egypt Bakery Store's central warehouse and extensive fleet work back-to-back round the clock to distribute our products to the furthest ends of Egypt, starting from Cairo to Alexandria, Hurghada, Sharm el-Sheikh, Delta and Upper Egypt. The logistics workflow ensures that the product is never subject to sun or heat during loading. Egypt Bakery Stores fleet is monitored duly by GPS to observe route and speed. The temperature of each and every truck is also recorded for safe delivery of products. Camera surveillance ensures an optimal workflow and service. Our firefighting system safeguards our employees and properties. Our prime generator feeds all our facility during electricity cutoff. We appreciate the work hassle of the day. Our laundry station provides daily cleaned and ironed uniforms to all our laborers. Every day at 12:30 p.m., our staff gather under the roof of our unique restaurant to share smiley chats along with a hot, healthy, delicious meal. We particularly pride ourselves on our state-of-the-art innovation center. Ever since it was established, Egypt Bakery Stores has continuously educated and transferred knowledge and trends to the Egyptian market. Hence comes this fully equipped innovation center as a new and pioneering milestone in our record of expertise. Not only do we provide innovations in our center, but we also constantly provide free of charge solutions and training to clients in the fields of bakery, pastry, and gelato. Our technical manager and decorated chef of 25 years experience provides all the updated recipes, tips and tricks for the best bakery and pastry experience. Our unique brand, Grace. Grace offers a wide and diverse list of homemade bakery and pastry products, specially manufactured with care and perfection for your convenience and hassle-free results. Grace Pastry and Bakery Solutions bring to you a delicious, elegant, and complete assortment of all the products your menu and buffet needs, starting from bread, croissant, pâté, muffin, cinnamon rolls, and tartlets, to exquisite cakes, cookies, and desserts, all made using real chocolate. Grace, the ultimate bakery solution.